Fine. Now let me start solving the problem number 13. Okay. See here. What they have given, the product of two numbers is 1296. If one number is 16 times the other, find the smaller number. Read the problem carefully. First of all, they have given the product of two numbers, right? They have given the product of two numbers, right? Product of two numbers is equal to how much? 1296. And if one number is 16 times the other, find the smaller number. So let the first number, that is smaller number, let me consider the smaller number is x, right? Then one number is 16 times the other. So if it is x, one number is x, the other number or the second number will be 16x, right? See, let us consider like this. If the x is 1, so the second number will be 16 only. If x is 2, then this will become 32. Similarly in that way. Okay. Now what they have given, the product of two numbers is 1296. Product means what? Multiplication. So x into 16x is equal to 1296. Now 16x square is equal to 1296. I multiplied this. Now x square is equal to, so 1296, that divided by 16, correct? When it is in a numerator side, if it is in a numerator, so then if you transfer to the right hand side or left hand side, it will become the denominator. Now simplify this. How you are going to simplify? You can divide directly by 16 or by 2, then you can check it out, right? Let us go with this way. 16, right? 1296 divided by 16. Let me divide by 4, because so 16 is divisible by 4 and 96 is also divisible by 4, right? Let us start dividing by 4. So 4 4s are, right? Then 4 3s are, okay, then 4 2s are 116. This will become 4 4s are. This will become 324 by 4. Then again divide by 4. 4 1s are, correct? 4 1s are, right? 4 8s are, 4 1s are. This will become 81. Now x square is equal to 81. Now we need to find out x. X is nothing but what? The square root of 81. You know how to find the square root, right? That is 9 9s are 81. This can be written as 9 into 9. When you take a root, this will become 9. So the smaller number is 9. If you find difficult in dividing in this way, you can go with this way also. 1296, that divided by 16. So 16 8s are 80, 128, correct? 1. So 6 is the remainder. Right now 16 1s are 16. This is also easy, but you need to know the table of 16, or otherwise I explained in the number system or operation on numbers that you can start directly writing the table, that is 16 1s are, 16 2s are. So like that you can write and calculate.